Bienvenue and welcome to BeSpoke AI.
So this is how AI will help you save money on your energy.
Okay, so hello guys, nice to meet you. Welcome to the laundry room. Here we have the BeSpoke AI laundry combo, which combines washing machine with inverter, heat pump, dryer into one.
That's inside my refrigerator. We do have some blind spots at the top section in terms of the corners just here. But if then I close my refrigerator, it also gives me access to my door bins. So I can see exactly what's inside the door bins. So if I am in the supermarket and I need to find if I need any milk, I can then access the door bin or eggs, right or left, and it will tell me exactly what's inside that refrigerator so I can make the right choices when I'm shopping. In addition to that, we have the AI vision inside. Now this is what makes it different in terms of standing out from our previous Family Hub models. So if I open up the refrigerator and I place items inside, it will pick up that I have then placed those items inside. I can then go to my food list and then I can, from that food list, I can go for more. I can click on the tomato and I can search for recipes. So as you can see here, we have our famous bruschetta, which we've created here for you today. If I want to change my preferences, so if I want to change my dietary requirements, I can click in my food preference, click on the edit section. As you can see here, foods to avoid, foods you dislike, diets. So it's currently set at lacto-vegetarian, but then I can choose my preference according to my diet, and then I can go back from there. If I then click into the recipe in terms of the bruschetta, it will give me a list of all the ingredients which are required to create that particular dish. In addition to that, it will give me step-by-step instructions of how to create that particular dish. If I have a recipe that requires to be cooked, this section here will say send to oven. It will tell my oven exactly what temperature to put it to. It will preheat the oven. It will then tell me to place the items inside the oven, set the correct time, and then give me a notification when that has finished also. So that is your recipes with inside the refrigerator.